Hi, my name is Christian Wamba and I'm a senior cloud advocate at Microsoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Azure in Visual Studio Code for deployment. The first thing you want to do is to sign into your Azure account through Visual Studio Code. And to do that, either you hit the F1 key or Command-Shift-P to open the command palette, and then search for Azure Sign In. Once you hit enter on Azure Sign In, you'll be redirected to Azure portal to give consent to Visual Studio Code. And to do that, just select the account you want to give access to. You want to give Visual Studio Code access to, and then you will be notified that you've been signed into Visual Studio Code, and you can close the browser tab. Now, if you head back to VS Code and click on the Azure icon, you should see that your subscriptions would be listed right here.